Hello.
Sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Good evening.
Good evening.
All right. So, welcome to Teacher Jennifer class. Can you hear me clearly? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi, teacher.
Yes. All right. There you go. Wait, I'm going to remove this one. Okay. Hello. Good
Uh, so,
evening.
Sorry. Can you see my daughter?
Yes. Yes, mommy. I
Okay.
can see it clearly.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Wait, there you go. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, welcome to okay, welcome to Teacher Jennifer class. All right. Hello. Okay. So my name, okay, let me introduce her sorry, let me introduce first myself to you. Okay. My name is Teacher Jennifer. Hello. Okay.
Hi.
So Teacher Jennifer is from the Philippines. Okay. I am 33 years old. Okay. So nice meeting you. How about you? What is your name?
My name is Lina.
Lina.
Yeah.
Oh, who's Nyakan? Are you Nyakan?
Yeah.
Ah, your English name is Lina. Is that right?
Yeah.
Ah, wow, that's great. Okay, you have a beautiful name like you.
Yeah.
So I will gonna call you Lee. Okay, how do we spell your name? This one, Lina, Lina.
No, it's Lena.
Ah, sorry. Okay, this one. Ah, Lina.
Yeah.
This one. Ah, all right. Hello, Lina. This is teacher Jennifer. All right. How old is my student? How old are you, Lina?
I'm 10 years old.
10? 10?
Yes.
Ah, all right. You are in grade. What grade are you now, Lina? Grade
I'm grade 4.
grade 4. Okay. And I heard that it's your summer vacation in Vietnam, right? So
Yes.
so you don't have a class. Ah, right. So it's your summer vacation. Yes, all right. So it's your summer vacation. All right. So what usually do you do on vacation, Lina? You?
I usually play with my neighbor
Oh, you play
and
with your
play games.
neighbor. That's great. All right. Usually, what do you play with your neighbor? What games? What game is that? Can you share it to me? It is?
Uh, drawing, make toys, and watch
Oh,
TV.
ah. Do you sometimes like, do you play jumping rope together?
Yes.
Ah, how about hide and seek?
Yeah, I often play
Ah,
that.
yes. You know what? When I was a kid, I also play hide and seek. Like, okay, peekaboo. All right. Okay, so Lina, you are from what city?
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Which city? Bum-
Ho Chi Minh City.
Oh, Ho Chi Minh. Oh, I heard a lot of nice places in Ho Chi Minh. I really love to visit Ho Chi Minh. All right. So, okay. So, have you been to the other country like Philippines or South Korea, China? No. Have you traveled?
Um,
Yeah. Have you traveled abroad, Lina?
I have traveled to Thailand, Dubai, and Singapore.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's great. And also is my one of my favorite country, Dubai and Singapore. Mhm. What did you do there, Lina? Is it vacation only?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a great. Okay, good job. Okay, thank you so much for sharing that. Oh, by the way, do you like chocolate? Do you eat
Yes,
chocolate?
I like.
All
Yes.
right. Because of that, I have a gift for you. It's a chocolate. Okay, wait. Oh, wait. It's a Filipino chocolate. All right.
Yeah.
Wait. You like this one? Wait, I'm going to off mine.
Yes.
All right. You like this one?
Yes.
Yes. Have you eaten this one?
Yes, I have eaten many times.
There's also like this in Vietnam.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. It's very yummy, right? Chocolate.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much for that, Lina. And thank you so much for sharing your thoughts and ideas. I really like it. You're very talkative. That's great because we will gonna practice more of your speaking and also on how to develop your fluency in English. All right. Okay, give me your high five. High five, Lena. Yes. All right, there. Good. Okay. Do you have a sister or a
Yes, I have a little sister.
Oh, you have a little sister. How about a brother? Do you have a brother?
No.
Only a little sister.
Yes.
Okay. So you are mommy, daddy, Lina, and little sister. So you are four in the family.
Yes.
Ah, what is the name of your little sister, Lina?
Her name is Lisa.
Lisa, in the Blackpink. Do you see Blackpink? All right. So Lisa, this one, Lisa, Lesa.
No, it's like Lisa in Blackpink.
This one, Li. So your name is Lina. Oh, and then your little sister is Lisa. Oh, what a
Yeah.
beautiful name. How old is your little sister, Lina? How old is
My
she?
sister is 7 years old.
7. All right, and then you're 10 years old. Oh, okay. So do you play always with your little sister, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's awesome. All right, so come on. Okay, thank you so much for sharing your family background. Okay, now, this is the class or lesson for tonight, Lina. Now, look in the picture of teacher Jennifer. What can you see?
I can see a beautiful sweater
Yes, and then what else, Lina?
and two girls talking together.
Yes, and there's what is this?
That is a snowman.
Snowman. Like, do you want to build a snowman? Oh, have you watched the movie Frozen?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like it? Who do you like, Elsa or Anna? You like?
I like Elsa
Do you like Elsa? Oh, why do you like Elsa, Lina?
mm,
Because
because
she's
she was
like you?
very pretty.
Yes, like you, right? Okay, that is great. Now, this is the title of our topic for this night, or this is our title lesson. Now, let's read, Lina.
A
Uh,
beautiful sweater.
yes, okay. So our title for tonight is It's a Beautiful Sweater. All right. Lina, do you have a sweater?
Yes.
Yes, all right. We use sweater when it is. When do we use
Cold.
sweater?
When it's cold.
Yes. Ooh, mommy, I'm cold. Where's my sweater? All right. Or, mommy, I'm cold. Where's my jacket? So, do you have a favorite sweater? Yes.
No.
No, you don't have? Okay.
Yes.
So, so teacher Jennifer has only one sweater also. Okay. So, yes, thank you for that. This is a beautiful, again, let's read, Lina.
A beautiful sweater.
Next. All right. So, in this topic, Lina, you are going to describe, or we will gonna learn topic. Let's read.
Topic materials. A beautiful sweater.
Words.
Words warm, wool, remind, silk. Scents and patterns. Is are made of. Come from.
Hey. So in this lesson, or the topic that we are going to learn is all about a beautiful sweater. So we have a story about beautiful sweater. Do you want to listen?
Yes.
All right. And also the words warm, wool, remind, and silk. And also sentence pattern, Lina, is are made of and come from. Very good. Now, let's proceed to the next page. Jump, 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 jump. All right. Okay. So, teacher Jennifer now has a first activity for you, Lina. All right, this one. Let's read first. What?
What are these things? Do you wear them?
Yes. Now, we have four pictures on the screen, right? Can you see it?
Yes.
All right. Now, can you describe to teacher Jennifer what are the things you see? What is this? Picture number one.
Picture number 1 is jeans.
Jeans or
Uh,
pants.
a pants.
Yes, all right. Or a jogging pants. How about number two?
And then number 2 is a t-shirt.
All right. All right. Number two is a t-shirt.
T-shirt.
Yeah. How about number three, Lina?
These are socks.
Okay, perfect. So, how about number four?
It's a skirt.
Yes, it's a skirt. Now, do you wear? Okay, Lina, do you wear all of this? The
Yes.
pants, the t-shirt, socks, and skirt.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So when do we use pants or jeans?
I use them for go to the ELA school.
Yes, and for example, you have your PE class, right? You will gonna
Yeah.
wear your jogging pants, or when you go to the park, right? And play with your little sister. Okay, how about this one? When do we wear t-shirt?
I wear it at home.
All right, at home, like you're wearing now, right? You wear t-shirt, a white t-shirt. Okay, this one. What is this? A socks. So do you wear socks, Lina?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
when? All right. When do you use or when do we wear socks?
I wear sock when I go to school.
Yes, together with your shoes, right? Okay, so whenever you use your shoes, you should also wear a
Socks.
yes. How about this one?
I wear it when I um go go to play or vacation.
Yes, okay, skirt. All right. So for example, um, when you have a birthday party with your friends or when you go to grandma's house, so you like to wear skirt. skirt. All right. Awesome. You're so smart, Lina. Thank you so much. Next. Are you ready? Let's prepare. Okay. So we have here, what can you see in the picture, Lina? Look,
I
you can,
can see a boy and a girl.
and what are they doing?
The girl carry a snowball and the boy was wave his hand.
Yes, and they are wearing a thick sweater or,
A scarf.
okay, a scarf. Do you have a scarf, Lina?
Yes, I have a
Yes,
red
okay.
one.
Oh, a red one. All right. We use it also when it is cold, right? Or when it is very cold. Okay. So now, all right, let's read. People.
People wear warm clothes in the winter.
Yes, all right. People or us, okay. Us people wear warm. Okay. What does it mean when we say warm? For you, Lina, what is warm?
Warm is
It's a weather that, or it's a kind of weather. It's it's a little bit hot and a little bit cold, right? So it's balanced. All right.
mm,
So let's read. Okay. So people wear. Okay. So people wear, for example, when it's very cold weather. So to make you warm or to make you feel not cold, you will gonna wear
weather.
warm. Okay. Sweater or warm clothes.
Warm.
Okay. Good job. High five. High five. Yes. High five. Yes. 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 Very good. All right. Now we have here question, or I have here a question, Lina. Okay, we have here two picture. Okay, teacher Jennifer has a two picture, picture one and picture number two. Now, which picture here can keep you warm, Lina? Put a check.
I think it's picture one.
Yes, it's a picture number because picture number one is.
It's a sweater.
Yeah, amazing. Okay, how about picture number two, Lina? It's not because picture number two is a
T-shirt.
t-shirt. Awesome. All right, so you're correct. So you have 100 over 100. Okay, amazing score. Very good. Next. Oh, okay, Lina, what is this? This one, what
It's,
is this?
it's wool.
Wool. All right, again. Wool.
Wool.
Yes, all right. So let's read this one. Most, okay, let's read. Most
Most wool comes from sheep.
sheep. Yes, okay, this is a sheep. Do you know an animal is a sheep? You know sheep?
Yes.
Yes, all right. The sound of a sheep is ba, ba. All right. So this is, what is this again? Lina, what word is this?
Wool.
Wool. Okay, so which is a wool, Lina?
It's
Which
picture
picture?
two.
All right, number two. All right, very good. Okay, this one. What is this? Hmm,
This is a striped.
a garter, or it's like a thread, right?
Yeah.
All right, so that is a wool. All right. So sometimes, or there are sweater that is from wool. All right. So the sweater, most there are times, or there are sweater, Lina, that came from a wool. Okay, next. All right, so this one, the, let's read.
The old photo reminds him of his childhood.
Okay, childhood.
Childhood.
Ch- childhood.
Childhood.
All right, it's not childhood. Okay, so we read this one as childhood.
Childhood.
Yes, okay. So this is grandpa. Before, when grandpa is kid like you or a child like you, this is grandpa when he was still young. All right. So let's read the word, Lina.
Remind.
Remind. Okay, when we say remind, Lina, like for example, like, what is the date today? All right. Like
Think.
you think, right? For example, the things that comes up in your mind. Now, this one. Let's read and answer. Go, 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 Lina. Which?
Which one can remind of the date?
Yes. Now, which? We have here two picture. Now, which picture that remind us the date? Picture one or picture two?
I think it's picture 2.
All right, picture number two. Because what is picture number two?
Picture 2 is a calendar.
Yes. All right. So in the calendar, we can check, we can see the
Day.
date. All right. So speaking of date, Lina, what is the date today?
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. And what is the date? June,
Um,
June.
June.
It's June 6th.
It's June 6th.
Yes. All right. That's great. So you know how to check the date. It's June 6th. How about this one? What is this, Lina? Picture number one.
Picture number 1 is a sheep.
All right. It's a sheep. So a sheep doesn't or don't remind us the date, right? Only the calendar. How about what thing could remind us the time?
A clock.
Yay! Wow, you're very smart. Good job. High five. High five again, Lina. Very good. Now let's proceed to the next page. Oh, all right. So we have here, what is this, Lina? Sorry, this is a
Silk.
silk. All right, this one, silk.
Silk comes from silkworms.
Yes, this is a silk. All right, most of the curtains, you know curtains, Lina?
Yeah.
Yes, you know what curtains are. Most of the curtains are from silk. All right, so silk, where does the silk came from? Silk.
Silk come from silkworms.
Yes, very good. So the word is
Silk.
silk, 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 silk. Okay, now this one, which is made of silk, the scarf or the
Um,
dress?
I think it's a scarf.
Is it a scarf? It's a, okay, this one. When we say silk, on this one. Wait me. Okay, this one. Like it's a shiny.
Hmm.
Yes, so it's a kind of texture, textile that is very shiny. Okay, can you see it? Yes, all
Yes.
right. So that is a silk. So which picture shows a silk?
A dress.
Yay, very good. Oh, do you wear a dress, Lina?
Yes.
All right. Usually, where do you wear a dress?
I wear it in the holiday.
Yes, like for example, when it is Tet holiday, right? Yes, you will gonna wear a dress. Like I don't know the name of the dress you always wear in Tet holiday. What's the name?
Áo dài.
Yeah, that one. All right. You're very smart, Lina. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the good work. Now let's talk. Okay, this one. Okay, so what can you see in the picture? Can you describe, Lina? We can see what
And
you.
I can see a snowman and 2 girls talking.
Yes. So this is Cindy and this is Anna. So they are friends now. They are. The weather is. How's the weather? It's already.
The weather is cold.
Or it's winter, right? Yes. All right. So we have here one day. Okay, can you please read? Go, 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 Lina. Let's read.
One day, Anna and Cindy are talking with clothing material.
All right. So one day, this is Anna. All right. So this is Anna and this is Cindy. Now they are talking about what are they talking?
Clothing materials.
Okay, clothing. Say it one more time. Clothing.
Clothing
Okay, this one. Materials.
materials.
Okay, perfect. One more time. Go, Lina. One day.
One day, Anna and Cindy are talking about clothing materials.
Clothing.
Clothing
Materials.
material.
Okay, perfect. Next. Hi. Okay, this one. Let's read. So Anna said, hi.
Hi, Cindy. You look great today. Your sweater is beautiful.
Yes, all right. Sweater. Sweater.
Sweater,
This one. Beautiful.
beautiful.
Yeah, all right. So Anna said, hi, Cindy. You look great today. Your sweater is beautiful. All right. Now, what did Cindy reply, Lena?
Cindy said, thank you. My mom bought it for me yesterday. It's not only beautiful, but it's also very warm.
Yes, all right. So we read this one, Lena's both.
Bought.
All right. Okay, wait, this one. So thank you, Anna. All right. So Cindy said, my mom bought it for me yesterday. All right. It's not only beautiful, but also very
Warm.
okay. All right. So this is the sweater. Okay, look, Lena. This is the sweater of Cindy. Okay. All right. Next. Okay, what did Anna said? Now let's read, Lena.
That's great. So what material is the sweater
All
made
right.
of?
All right. Okay. Material.
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 Okay. This one is made of.
Made of.
Right. So Anna said, that's great. So what material is the sweater made of? Now, Cindy said,
It is made of wool. My mom told me wool comes from sheep. It can keep us warm in winter.
yeah, so it is made of wool. Anna, my mom told me wool comes from sheep. So it can keep us warm in winter. All right. Okay, so time is up. So our trial class is finished. Okay, so Lina, come on. All right. So thank you so much for coming to Teacher Jennifer class. You did a great job. So I'm so proud of you. So keep up the good work. Okay. You're so have a great um communication in English. So keep up the good work. And I hope that you will gonna enroll in Teacher Jennifer class. Okay. All right. So see you on my next class. All right. So come on. Bye bye. Good night. Bye bye.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Rest now. Bye bye. Thank you.
Goodbye.